This is how you plan 90 days of content in 90 minutes. Okay, true story. I had people unfollow me and made me aware it was because I posted too much. Family members, friends, and even my permanent makeup instructor at the time admitted she had to unfollow me because I was posting way too much.
Wait, what?
Well, who had the last laugh? Yeah, I'm laughing. I'm laughing because my name is now Sheila Bella, and after posting way too much, I built 2 7-figure, multi-million-dollar businesses by posting too much on Instagram. By the end of this video, you are going to learn how to plan 90 days of content in 90 minutes. That's like a little less than Top Gun. Top Gun was what, 2.5 hours, I believe, running time? That's like less than most movies. Are you gonna Netflix tonight, or are you gonna create content?
Gee, let me think.
Hey, it's Sheila Bella. I just wanted to say, if you like this type of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss another beauty business video. And guys, I want to know exactly what it is that you like. So if you have any beauty business questions, leave it in the comments so I know exactly what questions to answer. Back to the channel. Listen, this is a game of volume, and you're going to learn how to increase volume and quality of your content so that you can get more engagements and ultimately more sales. Attention is currency, and volume is how you get it. Don't be afraid to be annoying. I'm annoying, and I'm getting paid because I'm annoying, but I'm consistent. I'm repetitive. That's what marketing is. It's supposed to be repetitive. So for this training, I am going to break it down in 3 lessons. Lesson 1, identify your ideal client, AKA your client avatar. This is something I say all the time. You gotta know who you're talking to, who you're writing for. So an avatar is a small fiction that helps you understand who you serve and serve her better. Like all great fictional characters, your ideal client is inspired by real person. When you speak directly to her and her needs, you become influential. To have influence, you gotta want for her what she wants for herself and show her how you can help her get what she wants. And to know what she wants, you need to know her. There's a fun little saying in marketing: you need to make her cry before you can make her buy. It's not really fun. It's kind of messed up. But, okay, what this means is you gotta make her feel something. Okay, set your timer for 30 minutes. Bring one of your current clients to mind. Okay, so think about, who are you happy to serve and feel energized and inspired when she is in your chair? Think about, what were her reasons for getting the service? Why did she choose you? What are her pain points, pressure points, emotional triggers? What are her problems? What keeps her up at night? What makes her feel insecure or self-conscious? How does your product or service solve her problem?
Okay, that one. Oh, hey, sorry. I'm just doing some content. By the way, do you want to grow your gram? I have the perfect resource for you. All my proven strategies of how to grow your Instagram for more clients and more bookings. Just click the link below in the description box to find out more.
Lesson 2, determine your content pillars. A content pillar is a topic and you talk about again and again and again. Marketing, you guys, it's supposed to be repetitive. So a good content pillar is one that you're passionate about too. It's in your area of expertise. It's profitable. So here's a real world example. A permanent makeup artist who specializes in powder brows offers class-size group trainings for beginners. So her ideal client is a career-oriented woman in her early 30s who wants to look and feel young and beautiful, but maybe doesn't have a lot of time. So her content pillar might sound something like this: time-saving beauty for busy 30-somethings. So she makes relatable, entertaining reels and also gives like quick tips and things like that and tricks for how to look your best with less time with permanent makeup. So her other ideal client, let's say she's an artist, new to the industry, super unconfident in her skills yet, green, and this client might be researching permanent makeup trainings because she wants to feel more confident. And maybe this client is super uncertain where to invest in quality training. So what does the artist do? She posts educational content on how to choose the right trainer, how to gain more confidence in your skills in permanent makeup, what to expect from your PMU training, right? Examples like that. So still maintaining this example, her third content pillar she's excited and passionate about is utilizing her business to travel. So she documents and gives travel tips and advice for students who want to train nationally and internationally. Now it's your turn. Set your timer for 30 minutes. Create 3 content pillars that are a direct response solution to your ideal client's pain points and pressure points. 3 is really the magic number for this. Yeah, 3 is plenty. So there's really no need to overdo it. So the thing is, you guys, it's essential that each content pillar is problem solution oriented and links to the product or service that you want to promote. You can also create a content pillar based on an idea, a message, a belief, or value that obviously should always resonate with your ideal client that you have in mind. And just like I demonstrated, you can have more than one avatar. Say you have an avatar 1 that you use for ideal client. You can have another avatar for your ideal student if you're a trainer. And finally, lesson number 3. Brainstorm 90 days of content ideas in 90 minutes. Take a sheet of paper and set your timer for the last 30 minutes. Make 3 columns. Label the top of each column with your 3 content pillars that are specific to your ideal client or student. If you have more than one avatar, you can create a separate page for each of them. So I want you to visualize your ideal client. Imagine that you are her. What is she struggling with? What is she seeking answers to? What keeps her up at night? What does she need right now? In each column, list out as many ideas as you have about each topic in 1 sentence or less. So the goal is to brain dump as much content as possible so that you get 90 ideas. This is about speed and volume, not quality. Oh my God, this is so funny. Oh, there you are. Hey, I want to invite you to my free Facebook group called Beauty Biz Secrets, where you can connect with more beauty entrepreneurs just like you. You'll get tons of freebies, strategies, and if you've ever wanted to ask me a question one-on-one, I go live in there a lot, so it's your chance to be coached in the hot seat. Just click the link below in the description box. Did you do it? If you did, congrats! You've planned 90 days of content ideas in less than 90 minutes. Woohoo! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can always send me a DM on Instagram at RealSheilaBella, or you can send me a text message with any and all beauty business questions. I actually like to answer them personally, and I also like to answer them through creating more content with your questions in mind. And that number is 310-388-4588. If you're in the US and Canada, you can totally text that. And make sure in that text message, you mention that you watched this video. Ciao!